Hello everyone, Reggie Patterson here with Digital Retirement Rebels, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. Now, in this week's Tuesday Tip, we are going to be talking about the 3 crucial components that you must get right to start generating sales with your PLR. Now, anyone who has been in the online marketing scene for more than 2 minutes would have heard that private label rights content is the answer for all online marketing problems. It supposedly saves you time, effort, money, and lots of headaches. And to some extent, this is true. PLR can save you time because you don't have to spend hours doing research or writing. It can save you money because you don't need to hire an expensive freelancer to do your writing for you. And you'll be spared the usual content creation headaches that come about from putting all the different components together. However, making money with PLR is not automatic. You must get these 3 components right to start generating sales. Component number 1, what are you selling? The first component, what products do you have for sale? If you're not selling anything, you won't make money. It's so basic, and yet this point seems to go over the head of many PLR buyers. You'll need to set up the PLR products for sale. They'll need their own sales pages, payment processing, download pages, and so on. If you're posting PLR content on your blog, there must be links pointing to products people can buy. These could be your products or products for which you're an affiliate. Blindly posting PLR content on your blog without monetization is a waste of time and effort. Your content must sell something. Component number 2, rebranding and repurposing. Rebranding your PLR will help your products appear unique and of higher quality. By getting new graphics made for your PLR ebook, your book will be different from all the other PLR buyers who are selling the same book. All it takes is a change of the cover image for your product to look better than the rest. You can then charge your own prices without competing with everybody else. You'll be in a league of your own while the rest compete for scraps as they keep lowering their prices and devaluing the content. Repurposing will allow you to create new products that the other PLR buyers will not even have for sale. Hiring a voiceover artist on Upwork to read your ebook and record it will allow you to create an audiobook. You can then sell this as an upgrade or as the same product with a different format. Just like Amazon, you can charge more for the audiobook, and people will still buy it because of the higher perceived value. Besides audiobooks, you can repurpose PLR content into checklists, tangible products, and more. Now you have more products to sell. That equates to more buy buttons on your website and higher chances of you getting more sales. Component number 3, are you driving traffic? The third and most crucial component of monetizing your PLR is traffic generation. Traffic is the lifeblood of your online business, and the majority of PLR buyers drop the ball here. They spend so much of their time using the PLR or rebranding and repurposing the content, but they never master traffic generation. If they do give it a try, they try too many methods at once, and this ruins their progress and chances of success. Focus on one method of traffic generation that's suitable for your niche, and go hard at it until you see visitors coming to your blog or web properties. Free traffic takes time to snowball, but once it does, you'll have traffic for a long time to come. Paid traffic is much faster, but there's a learning curve, and it's inevitable that you will lose money initially. Once you master it, paid traffic can be easily scaled up and you can maximize your profits. Whichever way you go, you'll still need to focus on traffic generation if you want your PLR to make you money. So keep these 3 crucial components at the forefront of your mind whenever you're using PLR in your business, and success will be inevitable. Now, we would like to give you a free gift to help you out. It's some free training that we have about rebranding any PLR that you may have. This could be text PLR or video PLR, basically any type of PLR. And the training will walk you through the best ways to rebrand it. So if you're interested in learning about rebranding, you can grab it for free at impc.ws/PLR rebrand. Okay, that's it for today. Take care, and I will see you again next week.